ano na siya, zamanan na kung dapat nagdahan ng video natin, so like, share, or subscribe! Hi everybody! Today we'll be doing something really amazing. And before we start, I want to tell you something really crazy. So when we found this was after it was expensive. But when we found it at a certain store, it was really cheap. Mine, it would be like in $60 in a different store. And yours would be in $40. But whenever we found it, it was $5. Wow. And mine was just $10. Isn't that just crazy? So let's open them. Oh wow. Those are nice. Whoa. This is my food truck. Whoa, you can even open this from the back. Yeah, I got mine open. Ooh, look at that stuff in it. What's that? Barbie selling this. No, Shana, how much now? They huggy. Oh, where's the pinocchio? So this is the Barbie doll. Barbie, like, you know, that will be doing her hair and stuff. She's really pretty. Her hands can also move, so you can do like, I don't know, nail polish or something. Her hair's also pink. She also comes with other accessories. Here's one of them. She comes with a headband, this for her nails, and this to hold on, so if you want to take them off and put them on for later. 2 hair bands, clips, a ring, what else? And some gems that you can add. There's also a straightener. You can straighten her hair. This is what you'll be using to put the purple dye in her hair, because you can also put purple. She also has a brush. Purple dye right here. You put it in here, and whenever you use it, you just put it on. Mixing it with. You'll be doing like this. There's also this. It has a clip right here and some hair, just in case if you wanted to put right here or here. So now I will be showing you hers while I organize my stuff and open them. So this is the doll. She has long and black hair. She looks super pretty. This is the little food truck, super cute. That has 2 cupcake chairs, a coffee dispenser, a cashier, and a little side that can open, and some cupcakes. And in the driving place, unfortunately, the door won't open, but you can just stuff her in there. You can roll it, you can press it, and there's gonna be other music. Okay, there. And this is how it looks on the other side of the food truck. So if you see, this is the coffee dispenser. These are the plates. 1 small plate and 1 coffee cup. So there's 2 of them anyway. And this, I think it's supposed to be silver coffee or those syrup things that spill. I don't know. I hope you like this my food truck. It's actually a really good food truck, and I hope you guys like it. And look at Raj's things. So this is how I did her hair so far. I'm not sure if I want to add this, but I don't know. I'll just put it to the side. This one, it says that you use it to change your nail color, but I think it's just for you to do it for right here. On this one, like, you can attach the gems onto other things, like the ring right here. there's a hole right here, like if you want to attach a gem. This is just an example. And you can just add it like this. But I want to change it to pink so it can match. There. There's also a clip right here. I'm gonna have to take this off. And I'm gonna add the clip. Here she is a clip. Very pretty, like this. You can do many hairstyles. It's even shown in the box. So these are the different hairstyles that you can do. You can do her hair like this, this, or this. I really like the middle one right here. And I think I'm going to do that. And here's the back of the box. So I'm going to do the middle hairstyle with this. The little hair ties that they do. Style right here. So I'm gonna dye her hair purple, only a strip. So I'll be using the measuring cup, the hair dye, and this. A little brush. So first I'll open this. Okay, so here's the purple. This. So here it is. That's the pulse on it. So that was the end of the video, and give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell too, so you can know whenever we upload a new video. And we really hope you like it. Bye!